If video content isn't part of your PR strategy, then you're missing out. More than 87% of businesses prioritize video content as their top marketing strategy. And here's why you should be utilizing video content in today's day and age. First things first, once you've caught the attention of your viewer, you've already won half of the battle. And did you know that the human brain processes images 60,000 times faster than a lengthy piece of text? Second, it's much more easier to spark engagement through video content. Number 3, it's so easy to create video content in today's day and age with AI. This especially applies to faceless videos and educational content. Number 4, all of the reasons boil down to this point, generates more sales. So with video content, it's so easy for customers and potential customers to educate themselves on your products and services. And more importantly, videos help build a strong emotional connection with the potential buyer. So make sure your brand is incorporating video content into their marketing strategy.